guys, what's up? Okay, ICSE 10th graders who have now moved into ISC. वो लोग ने सोचा होगा यार finally Merchant of Venice से पीछा छुटा and ISC college में admission मिल गया and then you realize कि यार Shakespeare इधर भी है. The Tempest. Alright, it's a new play for you guys. I'm pretty sure all of you will find it thoda difficult to understand because it's a completely different world from Merchant of Venice. So today's video is just to take you through the play. एक वॉक मारते पूरा प्ले समझ लेते किस बारे में क्या है and then I'll start explaining it to you scene wise, act wise, whatever is required. Alright, now before I start, there's something I need to admit. I usually edit my videos on the MacBook, on my Mac, and right now the computer is gone for servicing, so I don't know how to work on any other editing software, so I have to try and do this in one take. So there won't be any edits right now, so I'm gonna try and say everything correctly so that I don't mess up, because I tend to say shit and stuff. There you go, I just said shit. Alright, I'm not supposed to use words like that when you're a teacher, alright? So I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm gonna try and explain The Tempest to you in one take. Alright? Also, before I start The Tempest, I just wanna say I just had one of those moments where you realize how grateful you feel, because I was just outside my classes and I met these bunch of Bombay Scottish kids. I was admiring them because they were very sweet and they were talking amongst themselves, excited about a match, and I was looking at them and then they looked at me and they are like, sir, can I, we are big fans of yours and we love your content and stuff. I'm like, me? Like, you like my content? And they're like, yeah, because it got us through 10th and stuff. And I was like so honored that, people appreciate your content and they really like it. But then I messed up. So this story is to tell you guys never to get too excited so you end up saying the wrong things. So moments before they came up and spoke to me, I overheard one of them asking for water to the other person. I was like, "Bichare kitne tired ho gaye," and my class is right across the road. So I was like, when they started speaking to me, I said, "Okay, my place is right across the road. In case anyone wants to freshen up or something, you guys can come." Now in my head, it sounded correct, but now that I say it over and over again, I realize that they must have thought I'm some turkey pervert teacher. Which I'm not. So if any of you is watching this video because you guys are coming to 11th, I'm hoping one of you watches this video. My intention was just to comfort you guys, not to invite you over as some creepy uncle. But, ab ho gaya wo ho gaya. But here it is. Let's start with The Tempest. First of all, Merchant of Venice ko dimag mein se nikalo. Except for Antonio. You need to know this guy's name because Antonio is play mein bhi hai. But he was same wala Antonio nahi hai. Okay, so this guy is a different Antonio. Alright, so let's understand. I love this play, The Tempest, for one simple reason. It is the last play written by Shakespeare. Alright, so it's very significant. The main character is Prospero. Like Marvel's Mysterio. The name is so classy, like Prospero. He was the Duke of Milan. Alright, and he's banished by his own brother Antonio, this Kamina uncle. So Antonio banished his older brother Prospero when his daughter was just 3 years old. Prospero's daughter Miranda was just 3 years old. Both of them were banished and overthrown from their kingdom. And they were kidnapped and put on a raft and left on the sea, in the ocean, the rough waters, alright? And they would have died unless a guy named Gonzalo helped them, because this guy, Gonzalo, what he did is he put books along with their bodies on the raft, and it helped Prospero because, he knew magic and he learned magic through these books, alright? Now, Antonio didn't overthrow Prospero to become the king himself. He actually helped the king of Naples, Alonso, to become the next Duke of Milan. So Antonio को उसमें सिर्फ इसलिए चाहिए था कि उसका brother ना बने the Duke, because his brother was not taking care of the kingdom properly. Prospero was only indulged in reading all the time. He was not a quality leader according to Antonio. Alright, so this incident happened 12 years ago. That's not where the play starts. The play starts with a storm. The Tempest. The title is this vicious storm, this violent storm, जिसमें एक ship is about to get capsized, alright? And इस ship के अंदर there's Alonso, who is now the Duke of Milan. There's Antonio. There's Sebastian, who's Alonso's brother. Then there's Gonzalo. And there are a few other people also, alright? So उनके name अभी important नहीं है. These guys are returning from a wedding. That is King Alonso's daughter's wedding, alright? And his son Ferdinand is also on the ship. Now, while they are returning, the storm kicks in and the ship capsizes, and almost all of them feel that they are going to die. But somehow they manage to reach this mysterious island in the middle of nowhere. Now the storm was orchestrated by Prospero, who's been living on this island for the last 12 years waiting for his chance to take revenge. Okay, he takes help of Ariel, who is a magical creature. Now इधर भी एक story कुछ अजीब सी है. Prospero जब ये island पे आया था, the island was in control of a witch named Sycorax, who died, and Sycorax had imprisoned this magical being Ariel. And Sycorax's son is Caliban. Once Prospero started living on this island, at first things were okay, but then Caliban tried acting smart with Miranda, so then Prospero captured Caliban and made him his slave and freed Ariel. Freed Ariel from Sycorax's curse, but Ariel is still a prisoner. But now for Prospero. समझ में आ रही है बात? Prospero island पे पहुंच गया, and now he's controlling the island with his magic. So he's got Ariel in control, he's got Caliban in control. Caliban ki mom Sycorax was the original inhabitant of this island, but now she's dead, so now the main person over there is Prospero. Now Prospero uses Ariel for as a magical being to control the ship, and the storm and everything is handled by Ariel. Ariel is doing this in the hope that Prospero will get impressed with Ariel and free him. Alright, but that happens towards the end of the play. Now, this entire thing that I just told you is the setting of the play. अब पूरे play में क्या हो रहा है? All these people who've reached the island have reached on different sides of the island. Ferdinand अलग है, Alonso, Antonio, Sebastian and Gonzalo सब एक साथ है, and few other courtiers are somewhere else. Alright, now Prospero wants all of them to be separate, and he wants to play games with all of them, mind games with all of them. He wants Miranda and Ferdinand to fall in love together, and that is exactly what's happening throughout the play. हर एक का characters दिखा, हर एक का ये दिखा. It's all about power. अगर तुम सोचो सर बट वो कर क्या रहे हैं, बिकॉज आइलैंड पे पानी पूरी वगैरह तो होगा नहीं, तो वो लोग करेंगे या टाइम पास क्या करेंगे. तो हर एक का सीन आगे आगे बढ़ रहा है, यू नो, लाइक यहाँ पे एंटोनियो के साथ माइंड गेम्स खेलता है एरियल, एंड ही वांट्स Antonio and Sebastian together now decide to plot and kill Alonso. So it's all about power, because Antonio Sebastian को बोलता है कि देख, Alonso's daughter is now just gotten married, और Ferdinand का कुछ ठिकाना नहीं है, because they don't know Ferdinand's still alive. They think Ferdinand's dead in the storm. He said, so now you should become the next king of Naples and the Duke of Milan. So they are plotting to kill Alonso. यहाँ पे Caliban is planning to kill Prospero because he's tired of Prospero's rule. Prospero wants to seek revenge from Antonio. Now all of this is about power, about revenge, and in this whole thing there's a love story brewing between Ferdinand and ये बच्ची का नाम क्या है, Miranda, who is now 15 years old, because जब वो 3 years की थी तो बैनिश हुई, 12 + 3 15 हो गया, इतना मैथ्स मैंने सीख लिया. Now ये सारी चीजें हो रही है यहाँ पे भी ना, एकदम वो मैंने प्यार किया वाला स्टोरी है, वो सलमान खान वाली मूवी, जब सलमान खान is trying to prove to her बापू that I'm an eligible candidate. तो वो Ferdinand लगा हुआ है to impress Prospero in the hope कि यार वो उसको शादी करने देगा. Prospero को चाहिए कि वो शादी हो, पर उसको तुरंत से नहीं चाहिए कि ये हो, वरना प्ले खत्म हो जाएगा ना, लोग क्या करेंगे. Towards the end, Prospero forgives everyone, gives an elaborate speech. People feel that Prospero's words towards the end of the play is actually Shakespeare trying to talk to the audience and taking a last bow, because this was his last play. मेरे हिसाब से तो प्ले इंटरेस्टिंग है. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू फाउंड दैट. हाँ यार, प्रेमिस तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, इसको करना चाहिए. द डायलॉग्स आर धांसू एज यूजुअल. शेक्सपियर इज अ मास्टर ऑफ सर्टेन quotes, so certain quotes from this play are also very famous. And yes, this was it. Once I get my Mac in hand, I'll start teaching you guys scene wise. Act wise, we'll take up some important scenes and acts. All this while talking, I'm just distracted with this t-shirt ka shape. I don't know why it's thoda weird right now. Okay, but that doesn't matter. I hope you guys realized what Tempest is about, and all the best for your 11th grade and 12th grade. It's going to be an interesting set of years for you guys. That's it. Take care, stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.